In this video, I'm going to show you how to post quietly on Instagram without notifying your followers. So as you can see, I'm going to go to the bottom middle and I'm going to tap on the plus button. I'm going to post this image right over here and we're going to tap on next. And we're going to go over here down a little bit and we're going to click on audience. We're going to change that to close friends. I'm going to click OK. You can obviously have the close friends be a random account, but we're going to click dismiss. And if we refresh the page, as you can see, it's right there and it says close friends. And if you do the drop down here, you'll be able to edit the close friends and you'll be able to add them in later. And another way to hide it completely is to tap the three dots at the top right and we're going to click archive. And from there, you're going to go over to the three lines at the top right. We're going to go straight to archive and you're going to see stories archive. We're going to tap that and go to posts. And then there you see it right there. And if we tap on the three dots, you'll be able to click show on profile and bring it back. It's that simple. Now, you'll be doing this to avoid it showing up in the immediate timeline of your followers. So it won't show up, and then maybe in a few days or up to a week, then it can show up again. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.